Alright folks, let's talk about those lug nuts. Okay, the lug nuts that have the little chrome cap that goes over it. Okay, it's 19 millimeters. Okay, if the chrome cap breaks off, okay, or gets smashed because, you know, tire shops use the wrong size, they mangle the crap out of it, it is now 18 millimeter. So do not use the same wrench on this, because then you know what happens? You end up rounding it off. Okay, so without the cap, it's 18 millimeters. See how this is rounded off? Once you round that off, this is going to be a bitch to get off. Remember that factory lug wrench, that jack that's sitting in your trunk? It's designed just for the 19 millimeter. Once this breaks off and the shop don't tell you, and you got a bunch of these sitting in there, you're not getting that tire off. Okay, because you end up stripping it, then you'll be cursing somebody on the side of the road. Okay, so the next best thing is buy new lug nuts. Dorman makes it. Okay, that's the part number 611-122-1. It is all metal construction, has the same look, and it's a 19 millimeter. Okay, these are about, I don't know, $3.50 a piece, give or take. All right, they're expensive, but it's either that or get stuck on the side of the road when these things start to take off on you. Okay, or when the shops break them, they don't tell you. See that? Got a little crack in there. They just pop this in there and they won't even tell you. Okay, but like I said, if you round it off, you're gonna be screwed. Okay, as long as it has the 6 points, you might be okay. But then you got to throw in an 18 millimeter lug wrench for you to keep in your trunk to take those off. All right, so get a whole box full. I got 20 of them here. All right, thanks for watching. Ciao. Good luck with your nuts.